The Curious Case of Colorful Capes. In the bustling city of Wonderburg lived three friends, Maya, Liam, and Mia. Each had a unique ability. Maya could fly, Liam could turn invisible, and Mia could create objects out of thin air. One day, they discovered mysterious, colorful capes that granted them even more incredible powers. Excited, the friends donned their capes and became the Colorful Crusaders. They used their newfound abilities to help anyone in need. But their capes had a catch. Using the powers too much led them to become selfish and arrogant. One sunny morning, a mischievous villain named Gloomy Gloom arrived, stealing all the city's laughter and joy. The Colorful Crusaders sprang into action. At first, their powers seemed unstoppable, but soon their egos got the best of them, and they argued over who was the strongest. Realizing their mistake, Maya, Liam, and Mia put aside their differences. They remembered the value of teamwork and humility. Combining their powers, they created a rainbow of happiness that defeated Gloomy Gloom. This story teaches us that true strength lies in unity and humility. No matter how powerful we are, we should treat others with kindness and work together for the greater good.